everyone. It's Laurel here from Forever Purple Creations. Whew, it's been a little bit, right? Well, I'm hoping we're on the upswing now. School is actually done for the summer. I am starting a summer job at a camp for the summer. I will not be driving the regular school bus. I'll be working at a camp. Just needed a little change of scenery for a little bit and do something different. I'm finally on the upswing of getting past all of the sicknesses, and I have my final doctor appointment on Tuesday and Friday with my lung doctor, so hopefully everything is all good. I have not been sick in a couple months since I got back from vacation. I was healing from all that, so all things good, and I have been doing some crafting when I get home from my very long days of work that is now over, so I'm getting back to being, chilling out from a very rough year that we had this year. So this is my design team project for, I don't even know what we call it, a Fox Creative Design Team, Love Junk Journals, Tracie Fox, all those names. You know who she is. I haven't done one in a while because I have been sick, was sick for quite a while. I just kept getting sick and getting sick, but I am so much on the mend now, thankful for that. And I have been working with a whole bunch of kits. So I've got pieces of all of them laid out all around me. And she has come out with some amazing kits lately. So what I did is I shrunk everything down and used a bunch of all the new kits in the projects that I put into this book. And I'll quickly go over most of the kits that I use. There may be a few that I don't name that are in here that I've used bits and pieces, but it's the Paperclip set 1 and 2. The 2 is the field notes, the busy floral collage ephemera, the floral bugs and butterflies, the theme collage snip strips, which are these, the faux to slides, which are these, the faux to slides, these ones, and the toadstools. One is toadstools and one is just faux to slides, people and toadstools. So this is the people, and then you'll see pieces of the toadstool ones around. Random numbers 1 and 2, that would be these little square pieces. There's little ones everywhere. Simple stationery, you'll see some of that in different places. I think the word exchange, I didn't pull them all out. I just pulled bits and pieces out. Matchbox minis, that would be all the little pieces of people and stuff that's really small. You'll see some in here. Faux ephemera, random field notes, labels, that's all of these too. There's different ones. I love all labels of all kinds. The random sciencey labels, which would be the ones that have the wording and stuff on them. I know there's one here somewhere, but again, you'll see them in here. And Flutterby Fussy Cuts, which is the butterflies. These are the, I did name that one, right? The one with the birds. Yes, bumper birds. So we've got the bumper birds. We've got toadstools. We've got different butterflies all over. The paper clips, the photo slides, the people, the snip strips, all that. That's all. I used all of them in this project. So I didn't do the cover yet, so because I'm just going to be putting words on here. I don't know if I want to put a piece of fabric on here or how I want to keep this, because I want to make more of them with other things. This one, I went crazy with the paper clips. So I have a ton more to work on yet that I will add as it goes, but that's what this book is for. But I used all the different elements in here and worked on my collaging and putting things together without having to match, because I struggle with that, and just having some fun and playing. So we will go ahead and I will kind of give you a run through. So I took, as Michelle would say, let's use up these book covers. So I took one of the book covers Michelle gave me. I covered it with some of Tracie's papers, and I did not put those kits in here. But these papers are all from the wallpaper swatches. I just put them all together on a piece of paper to make one large piece of paper, and then made strips. Some of the strips are long ways, and some are horizontal, some are vertical. and then they all hold the paper clips. So I will just kind of run through and show you the paper clips. So all the ones on the up and down pages can go sideways on a page. So you'll see how I just have all the little elements on here. Some are more decorated, and I will go through and do the add-ons to a lot of them. I didn't want to get, I started getting carried away way too soon, so I kind of toned that down. But you can see I used my my paints on there, on that one. So this one does go this way. So this one just slides on here. And then we have this one, which I love with the chain. And that's Dragonfly. And I probably don't need to pull them out of the book, but that might change in a minute. We have this one that's got the birds and bingo. And see how you can see all the different ephemera from different kits on here. I just kind of wanted to have some fun and try something different without, you know, trying to put everything, all the same kits together. I wanted to work on my collage a little bit. So then we've got this page, and I'll kind of just hold it up and show it to you, or we'll be here till Christmas. Again, these are, you know, I like to shrink things down, and I have so much of her stuff shrunk down, but I used a lot of stuff. Although I printed a ton more out and cut out more, I love using ephemera in this way. This is like one of the faux ephemeras with the little postcards and stuff. So I just made it say love letters because it's letters and postcards. And then this is one of the faux to slides, and I just put some vellum in there and a butterfly and put it on the paper clip. And then this one's just a butterfly and some layers. So some are, I didn't put them in the order that I made them. Some are basically simple, and then some are over the top. So it just depended on how I was, what was happening while I was making that one. But I absolutely love these. This one's got a faux to slide on it, and then I used a little ticket and just some rulers and some fabric. Yeah, so I love that one. But the other one actually is a little more, I think there's actually a tuck spot on this one too, but I think the other one's a little more interactive, this one. So on this one, I'll take this one off and show you. I'm not going to take them all off and show you, but I want to show you this one. So this one has a lot of stuff going on it, but I love it. It's got a little film strip and a ticket and some words, and then I put a little, oh my gosh, I can't even think of what this is called right here. It's a little tag or whatever, but, and then put some tiny little ephemera on there. That's one of the flowers that I shrunk down and cut all up. So this one has the tag that hangs, and it's also got a pocket in it. I used one of her, oh, that was another kit too. Her slides, I think it's a botanical slides one, and then just put a little piece of a tag in there. I can't think of what to call that right now, a hang tag or whatever, but that just goes inside. So, and I think there's might be another spot on here. There's one on another one, but, and then see the little, there's just little pieces of stuff everywhere. So I had so much fun playing with these. I couldn't stop. I just wanted to keep making more. So I made a couple for each page because I'm like, I've got to get this out and show everybody. So I made 3 pages. They all stack inside of each other, and they are all sewn together, though you don't see it on the spine. So, all right. So we've got that page, and then here. So we've got, here's the next ones. And like I said, some are super simple, and then some have a lot more stuff to them, but I want to fill this book up and get more in here. And then this will be my one that says Paperclip embellishments, and then anytime I want to stick one in a journal, I have a whole entire variety. And then there's also vellum pockets down here that I'm going to put all the little extra pieces in. I love this one too with the toadstools, and this one has a side pocket, so these things come out on the side over here. So that's another one of those slides of hers. So almost everything on here is from one of Tracie's kits or another. And then we have the bird. Love the bird. Except for other things that I've used, like die cuts and things like that. And my camera's starting to go dark again. I don't know why it does that. But yeah, see how I need more on this page. but I wanted to at least have a couple on each page. This is a lot, you guys. It takes a lot to make all these. So I would come home from work, sit down at my table was covered with little bits, and it takes more than 5 minutes to make one of these. So then again, I've got my different colors. So, you've got grains, and they're just so versatile, and some are so different than the other. I think this was the first one I made right here. And then the butterflies. Yeah, I love all these. So I have plenty of these to work with. But I did have so much fun making this. And again, this is the wallpaper samples. I just made it into strips to fit on here and kind of made them so they match both ways. Yeah, little crazy there. And then I love these two as well. This one's, and I think this one might have a pocket up behind here, but I love this one with the big bird. That one's so pretty. And then just the number and the stamps and just all kinds of different labels and things. And then this one too. That's the Faux 2 slide. I really like that one. I like them all, but they're just, you can tell different ones made on different days and just how my mood was. And then here's a couple that are a little more simple. I love the toadstool. I don't know why I love the birds and the toadstool so much. I love butterflies too, and I thought I used more, but I have more to work with. So that's that page. And then we have this page again. So the ones that I did that go long ways across the side of a page, I really decked out. I made them go spread out up and down. I had so much fun with these. But I love this one too. I love them all. They're so cool. All the different colors and everything, and just the different elements that I used on here. I really had fun making these. And yes, that's upside down on purpose. And the butterfly and the little purple flower. There's just, I just was really practicing putting different elements together where it wasn't all the same thing and the same color, and just trying to work with my collage. And then we have these. I love these too. So this one, and there's a die cut on there, and I did put lace and stuff on different ones, and cheesecloth. And this one's really pretty too. Love the little fairy, and I added flowers that she's holding. Yeah, I love all the little pieces. And then again with the toadstools, the circles, and just tried to use circles, squares, rectangles, all different elements together, and just kind of, made them fan out. I like that too. And then the last page, love these two as well. You can tell I just started getting more and more where I wanted to just keep adding more to them, but I just think they will look so awesome on the side of a page or on the top of the page, because they're done in both directions. So that one with all the butterflies, and then again with the beautiful bird. This was the last one I made right here. Love all the different elements on here. So yeah, so this is, and again with Tracie's papers, and here, this is my CDT project for Tracie Fox Creative. I know I haven't done one in a while, and I'm a little behind, so that's why I used a variety of all her newest kits on all these little paper clips, because it's so much fun. And I love working with small things, so this was like right up my alley. And as soon as I saw the paper clips, I knew what I wanted to make with them. It was just a matter of finding the time and sitting down and getting it all done. And I'm very proud of myself for as far as I got, and as many that I got finished for this project. So again, like I said, this book can hold more. There's room for more. And then it'll be just somewhere to have all these handy, instead of constantly sticking something in a drawer. It'll be somewhere to have all these. When I'm working on a journal, and I will be making more of these. I am going to cover the spine. I will be making more of these to keep different pieces of ephemera and things in, because I'm on this, I can't use it if I don't see it. And if this is out and all these are, like, I can open this page and I can see all these, rather than them all be crammed in a drawer and I can't see them. So this is a perfect way for me to use all of them. So I hope to be around a lot more soon and be doing a lot more things. I've got a couple of other things I'm working on as well. So I'm just going to keep pushing along and doing what I can as soon as I can. So I hope you guys like this. I will make sure to have all the different kits I use listed in the links below, as well as all the other design team members. There will be a link for them to please go check all of them out as well. And don't forget to check everybody out for Tracie's June collab, which is called Creep on June, because this is so cool. I'm already loving all the things that everybody's making. So please go check that out. And all you have to do is put hashtag Creep on June, and you should be able to pull up the videos from the designers and other people that have joined in along to do this collaboration for the month of June. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your weekend. It is Sunday, so I don't start my new job till Friday, so I have a lot of stuff to work on. So have a great evening, everyone, and I will be back to and see you all again soon. Don't forget to get out there and create something. Bye for now.